Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This, there we go, I'm painting the right way, is called AI Mailer. So this is an unlimited autoresponder, and you're used to paying, if you're on GetResponse or any of those kind of ones, Aweber, things like that, you're paying $20 to $50 a month, depends on how many people you have in your list. So this is, I'm going to talk about the AI part first, but the part you're going to really be blown away by is the savings that are possible. And you're like, hey, I'm going to save $3. Well, that's nothing. You take $20 and multiply it by 12 months, and you're paying $240 a month. You multiply that by 10 years, and it's $2,400. This is unlimited, lifetime, $17. And then you're going to save $3 and bring it down to $14 or $13.84, I think exactly. But you can see the big discount is in the lifetime part. Do get the discount. You click the link in the video description, go to my site at marketingsharks.com. Really it just says, look for the exit pop. So you click the product box, it'll bring you to this page, wait for it to fully load, and then run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner. There's a little X there. Don't click it, but get up there, and this will pop up and save you $3. Like I say, the big savings are this, and I'm talking about $20 a month. That's the basic starter, the smallest amount you can pay. You get a few thousand people subscribers, and it quickly jumps up to about $50 a month. So $50 a month is $600 a year, and over 10 years would save you almost $6,000 over the next 10 years. It's insane. So let's go beyond this and let's look inside, because they're not just all about saving you money. They're about the artificial intelligence, the cutting edge, the going beyond what you can get at the other guys. So here we go. Let's look inside. We'll get rid of that coupon. Obviously, look for that. I'm going to scroll to the top here and give you a look in here. Limitless AI emails to limitless subscribers for limitless profits. You see the whole thing. So you're not paying for autoresponders ever again. And that's not the part that's going to stick with you. Let's see here where I scroll down to where they talk about it. Using artificial intelligence. Well, what does that mean? AI, I hear it all the time. What does that mean? How about, I'm looking to find here where they show the AI part. We might have to scroll down a bit. Sorry about that. I'm going to show that too. So I'll just go through that quickly to give you the few steps to get involved. Yeah, profit, play. Okay, so the AI part is going to be involved in making your blog posts. It's going to be involved in optimizing the things that you're sending out. So the emails get optimized. If you're going to segment, it gets optimized. Listen to this. You can send out to birthday emails. So you're like, yeah, I get that from LinkedIn sometimes. A bunch of people bugging me, or a bunch of people on Facebook going, oh, happy birthday, and there's 800 new messages or 50 new messages or whatever. Here you go. Catch this. 342% more revenue than a regular promotional email is the birthday emails. So you're not just going to go, hey, happy birthday. That's dumb. But what if you said, hey, as a special birthday gift, because it's your special day, you get 10% off today. You get a free this added on. Send me an email and I'll pop you out. I'll do a 30-minute consult with you. There's a lot of different things you can do to dramatically use the birthday, because people are like, hey, that's all about me. I better read it. It's about my birthday. And so you get more reading, more reaction, more excitement to it, and then use a good bonus to get people to take action on what you're selling. They're already on your list because they're interested in black Nike sneakers. So you go, hey, we're going to give you, I don't know, a special bonus. We're going to give you black spray paint. You can make all your sneakers black. That's dumb, but you see what I'm saying. You pick a special thing. It's your birthday. You're getting a black spray paint. Buy a pair of sneakers and we'll throw in the black. There you go. You see how I'm saying, put it all together. Anyhow, saves you $6,000 if you're going to do some business. Customizes your emails in ways I've never seen that on GetResponse or Aweber. Birthday emails, somewhere here, there we go. I'm just going to come down a little bit here. This is the AI part. Unlimited, trigger them on autopilot for different things. And you're like, yeah, what is that? Well, how about subscribers life events. Whenever you subscribe to my list, hey, it's been a year, I'm sending you this special discount, special promo, buy this and get this, whatever. Custom criteria, like, and they're talking about exceeding quota, balance fine below minimum. These are different kind of things, package plan, expiration, different things you can use, and you can set this up. Pre-made email templates, how are they optimized? Artificial intelligence makes the email templates all for you. Subscription form, how's it optimized? Artificial intelligence makes it work the best that it possibly can. Check the demo video that's on the site. I'm going to cut it short here. The link's in the video description. If you're at all doing autoresponder stuff, not only is it saving you $6,000, not only is it allowing you to do unlimited mailouts, but it is also allowing you to do extra things using AI, both customizing the opt-in, the emails, everything that you're going to need to use, but also allowing you to do extra features. You can send something out on their birthday. You can send something out on the anniversary of them signing up, of them buying something from you. Hey, it's been a year. Hey, it's been a month. Hey, it's been a day. Whatever you want to say, you can see how you can start to customize these things for greater response. That's what it's all about, making more money. So you cut down the cost and you increase the responsiveness. It's called AI Mailer, fresh out today. Click the link in the video description. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.